Hi there, friends. It's Fern and Frank with Java Walker World. Thank you for joining us again. We are on day 2 of our trip here in San Miguel Island in the Azores. Friends, Java Walker World here. It's Fern and Frank. Good morning. We are on a new day here in San Miguel in Ponta Delgada. We're just getting ready to go and get our PCR test so that we can go home in about 3 days from now. We have to get that done 72 hours or within 72 hours of arriving back in Canada. So we're hoping for a positive test, or no, rather a negative test. We're looking forward to that, right? Anyways, we're just trying to get oriented. We're going to spend the day on the west side of San Miguel and see if we can take a look at some great footage for you and experience what San Miguel has to offer.
Come walk with us.
Walk with us. We are here in Ponta Delgada. We're going to get our PCR test, which is right around here somewhere. We'll find that in a minute. And we are going to take this route all the way through here as such, and then go like this and try to cover all of this today and then back to Ponta Delgada. Hi there.
Hi everyone, here we are. We just finished having our COVID test, a little tear here and there, but all went well so far. We're gonna have to wait for our results to 24 hours, so hopefully tomorrow we'll have that. But I find it interesting. We lucked out because we made an appointment, but we got there and there was a fair size lineup with about 12 to 15 people in line. A young couple from the US came in because they were heading back to Utah tomorrow and they hadn't done it, and regulations keep changing and this and that.
It's
and
forever moving.
Forever moving.
The COVID requirements and protocols.
So if you are out there and you're doing that, you're best off, if you can, make an appointment, because there's a lot of people walking up and the person inside is saying you just got to wait your turn. They're fully booked. If we have a chance, we can squeeze you in, but we don't know if it's going to be an hour, 2 hours, or 3. That a person's just going to sit there and waste their day. So maybe just a little bit of advice might help somewhere down the line if you're out there traveling. But again, things are changing from hour to hour. So that's done. Hopefully that's another hurdle. We get a negative test, and we're going to enjoy our next 2.5 days with the car. And
here in San Miguel, so let's get walking.
So let's get the sightseeing. Come along with us.
Come along.
What you're made for, and there's nothing that is too late for. Out of the cold into my warm hand, in the sun, it's already begun. You are my one, with a simple mind. We should find some more time. We don't need to worry. deeper. But I'm here, so don't you worry, 'cause you know I'll be there in a hurry. Out of the cold into my warm hands in the sun. It's already begun. You are my one. We just dance, find romance, second chance. We don't need to worry at all. In the sun, it's already begun. You are my one. With a simple mind, we should find some more time. We don't need to worry at all. It's already begun.
So we are about here right now, just getting ready to go over the bridge, which divides the two Alagoas, the blue and the green. And we're going to be heading into Sete Cidades and see what Sete Cidades looks like. And we're going to keep on going until we come out to the coast again and start doing the west north end of it.
This is the green lake. This is the blue lake. It's bluer because it's deeper than the shallow lake here, the green one. And they're really all the same lake. It's just the road that divides it and creates an illusion of two different lakes. Here we are in Sete Cidades and just approaching Sete Cidades, and behind me is the blue lake. We're now in the valley.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to?
Cheers, Java time.
So they call this the Vista do Rei, which is the king's view. Not only do you get views of the lakes, but you also get views of the ocean. Well, we're approaching the notorious abandoned hotel overlooking Sete Cidades and Lagoas Verde e Azul. It's quite interesting. There's all sorts of signs saying, danger, don't go in, and yet there are people in there. So if you go into the abandoned hotel, you're doing it at your own risk. Check it out. The catalogue are being moved from one site to another. Whoa! Down they go. All together downhill to graze in another pasture. How cool.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, yet I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain.
Hi there guys, it's Vern and Frank. We're here at Tasca having our supper. It's reversed, but anyways. We're having our supper and our appetizer is, give it a second, caldo verde. So we decided to come here tonight to have this meal because last night we passed by this restaurant and it was packed. There was a lineup, which is very unusual for here. But anyway, Let's see. We'll give you reviews afterwards. Does it look good?
That's very good.
In the quiet evening, snow is falling, and from every window shines a light. Somewhere in the distance, drums are calling, but no